Warning: don't utilize the method demonstrated in this video excessively. This video contains exclusive information that's not available to the general audience. As a result, we recommend that you use it wisely. With great power comes tremendous responsibility, and with great money comes great responsibility. You're about to discover one of the most straightforward methods for making money online. Today, I'll show you a website that will pay you $10 for every 2 minutes of labor you put in. However, there's a caveat. This method will not work for individuals who are too indolent to watch the entire video. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. The first phase is to go to google.com. You can go to google.com no matter what device you're using, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, PC, or laptop, as long as you have internet connectivity. As always, I'll walk you through everything step by step so that anyone can follow along with me in this video. If you follow all of the procedures, you'll be ready to go out there and start making money as soon as the video ends. As a result, I intend to accomplish each step that I shall demonstrate. The second step, which you must accomplish while on Google, is to search for Capterra. I'd like you to open up this website, and this is what you'll see when you arrive at capterra.com. This is a website that will pay you to write reviews for various software and apps. You don't need to have to purchase or utilize that software, so don't be concerned. In less than 2 minutes, you may complete the task. And as always, I'll explain everything in detail. In less than 2 minutes, I'll show you how to accomplish it. As you can see, there are over 700 distinct types of software and programs to choose from. You can review hundreds of different software goods in each category, so you may review all of the digital products that are currently available online and get paid $10 for each one. Now, if you stick with me, I'll show you how to do it in less than 2 minutes. And now, without having to buy the software for yourself, you'll be able to make over $10 in less than 2 minutes every time. And to show you that it's possible and that people are making money with this website, as evidenced by the fact that they have over 1 million reviews, and you can easily calculate how much money individuals have made with Capterra.com by doing the arithmetic. Now, you might be wondering why they would pay $10 for every review. Well, the software owner is prepared to spend that much money because having more 5-star ratings and positive comments builds social proof for them. They'll be able to make a lot more sales as a result. They're getting a good return on their investment, and that's why they will be paying you $10 for less than 2 minutes of work. The next step is to go here and click on Write a Review. Then you'll be taken to the next page where you'll find tens of thousands of firms and items to evaluate. You can look up those products and businesses right here. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. As I said, when someone wants to buy software for digital products, they will most likely go online and search to learn more about it, to see what other people are saying about the product. And if the reviews are good, they will more likely to buy the software or the product, and that's why Capterra.com is willing to pay you. As you can see, you may write reviews for these popular products right now. However, there are tens of thousands of additional software about which you can write a review and earn money. With Capterra.com, there will be no shortage of methods to make money. Now, if you go to browse categories, you'll be able to see tens of thousands of distinct software categories. You have all of the software you need, including company software, customer service software, data collection software, email software, and so on. And from each of the software reviews you write, you'll make actual money. As you can see, there's a lot of potential even just on one page. Let's imagine you want to review the software. Instead of just clicking on it and writing the review right away, here's a pretty helpful tip that will save you a lot of time. You'll make a lot more money this way. All you have to do is copy the software's exact title and go back to Google to look for a review of that software. and you can find all the different reviews online from which you can get an idea. So we'll open this link right now and I'll check how other people are doing it. I can see what people wrote and how they came up with their ratings. As you can see, this is a good example of a good review. You can read what the person had to say about the products, and the insights will allow you to evaluate the software without having to purchase it. Of course, you can edit the text somewhat to make it your own. Don't copy and paste it, since if you do that, you will not be able to make any money at all because it will not function. You can get a sense of the software from their reviews and what they wrote about it. This will save you a lot of time while also making you a lot of money, since you no longer have to spend countless hours reading through the software, learning about it, determining its benefits and drawbacks. Nor do you have to acquire the software and spend hundreds of dollars simply to write a simple review. You can just read the reviews, consider the most significant points, and then write your own. In a moment, I'll show you an example from real life. So that's how you may get an idea for a review without having to purchase the product yourself. Now that you've learned all of this, let me show you a real-life example of how you'll complete the review and get paid. As a result, you should go to the page I just showed you at the start of this video. Click on Write a Review on Capterra.com, which will send you to this page where you may choose the company, product, or software you want to review. In this situation, I'd want to review the QuickBooks program. Simply click on it and you'll be sent to a review page where you'll need to fill out some personal information. So, let's get started with the first part of step 1, which is filling out your personal data. Simply give your first and last names as well as your email address. You will now follow whatever I show you once you're in the job title. I want you to enter as a freelancer in the job title box. This is essential because if you don't have a job title, they will not accept your review and you will not be paid. You can just type in self-employed as the organization name. You may now find any industry you desire by clicking on this drop-down arrow. So, if you're currently working, you can choose any field in which you're now employed. Or you can just put in computer software because you're basically writing a review for a piece of software. And once again, no prior experience is required. Because you're self-employed, you may merely choose me for the company size. For the question of how long you have used this software, you may select from these choices. Now, if you choose a free trial, you will not get compensated. Thus, it's important to choose at least 6 to 12 months so that they can see that you have some expertise with the software. In this question right here, in what capacity do you use QuickBooks Commerce? You should select from these options right here. Below that, you will ask how frequently you use this software. In that section, you will select daily or weekly. Finally, in the last question on the first page, you will be asked what your role is in using this software. Just select I am a user and click on Next right here. So, if you're still watching right now, you did a fantastic job, and that's how you finish step 1. Now, on stage 2, all you have to do is rate the application. I humbly suggest that you give a 4 to 5 star rating in order for you to be paid. In this section right here, you will also leave stars even though it was optional. This technique will help you boost your review and be paid online. For the pricing, just select inexpensive. Below that, how likely would you recommend the said software to your friends? Just select between 9 to 10 and click Next. Step 3 is significant, since many individuals fail to make money on this website because they don't know how to write a review. You can see that you're going to give your review a title, and then you're going to write about the pros and cons, which means what you like and you don't like about the software. Then, you have to describe your overall experience with QuickBooks. There are a lot of things to write about on this step, and a lot of people get stuck and don't know how to proceed, which is why I want you to keep watching this video. Now, you need to put some title. You can also get ideas from other people's reviews. In my case, I will say that QuickBooks has more shortcomings but still the best for small businesses. As I previously stated, you will not copy and paste all of these write-ups because they will not work here. Now, you will be entering the pros and the cons. So, what did you like about the software? As I said earlier, you can get ideas from other people's reviews and modify that real quick. You may do the same for the cons. paraphrase the text and make it your own. This section right here is optional, but you may write a review if you want for additional points. Lastly, click on Submit right here. Don't be lazy. I know it will take a couple of minutes to replicate this process, but it's gonna pay off for sure. As you can see, your product review has been submitted, and all you have to do now is repeat the process. You may simply keep your momentum going by looking for new products or softwares to evaluate and earn $10 in under 2 minutes. They have literally hundreds of thousands of various software that you can write a simple review on, and you can just refer to other people's reviews by searching on Google. You can use their answer as inspiration and repeat the procedure over and over again. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.